When I bought my Motocompo, the guy I bought it from had several, to include a personally owned one. He had these little footprint tires on it, and I just fell in love with them and knew when and if I had to replace my tires, this would be what I would get. So I ordered these from Japan. Got them in about a week, pretty quick. Taking the front tire off, 12 millimeter, 14 millimeter. Slide the axle out, pull the tire off. Pretty simple. I meant to time lapse the entire thing and totally forgot. I literally had 35 minutes of video of me swapping the tires because I only had bicycle tire spoons, which didn't give me enough leverage. So if you want everything to take 87 times as long and be super frustrating, make sure you use the improper tools. But I got it done, got them back on the Motocompo. We took them for a rip around the neighborhood. The squash is way faster than the Motocompo, which is funny, but I love the tires. The old ones were, I don't know if they were original to it from 1981, but they were pretty old and cracked and pretty gross, so I'm glad I got them switched out. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, talk smack, make fun of me, do whatever you want. Make it fun. Have a good one. I'll do another voiceover here so you don't have to hear my air compressor running. But literally you just press the front drum brake back on the left side, slide the axle through, tighten it up. Pretty simple. The center stand really makes working on it pretty easy. The spacer fell out once or twice. Made me wish I had 3 hands, but like I said, it's a small bike, easy to do. Got that back in, made sure it spun freely, tightened her up, then moved on to the rear. The rear tire's just a 19 millimeter bolt taken off the right side. You'll see I had to keep upping my game as far as strength to take that 19 millimeter off. So with the rear, I started with just a wrench and socket. Couldn't get enough leverage on it to do it. So then I went to my little 1/4-inch Ryobi. Not quite an impact, but like I said, a little 1/4-inch bit. Was rocking that pretty hard. Kind of laughing at myself and was like, all right, man, if that's how you want to play it. Same age as me, 1981 Motocompo. I got something for you. I thought I might have loosened it enough to go back to the wrench and socket, but it kept spinning the tire. Even when I pushed down on it, it would just spin the tire on the bed of the truck. So stepped my game up, grabbed the 1/2-inch impact. I knew that would break it off. I've used impacts enough when I'm putting the nut back on. I didn't break anything. It's just a 50cc scooter. So got it off. The biggest pain about taking this off is the drum brakes kind of press out when you pop the tire off. So to get it back on, the top brake pad had to kind of be pushed down. So it was a little bit of a pain to get it back on, but a little finagling and made it work. So again, real happy to have new tires on it. Felt way smoother. Not as worried about flying down the road, worried about the tire giving out. Like I said, the old ones were pretty cracked and dry rotted, so. Love the thing. Wish they were cheaper so I could have 2 or 3 of them, but I'm lucky. I got the one. Happy about it.
a second.